Hello everyone, I welcome all of you today to discuss this stock that is ICICI Lombard General Insurance.
Hello everyone, I also welcome you all.
So today let us discuss this stock step by step. So let us go with our process step. So let us check the stock trend. So this is a stock I opened now here, and for the stock trend I will make it this one. We'll check with EMI. I put 20 and 40.
Generally, we check exponential moving average, whether that is 50, then the stock is great. Whether it is nearer to 50, then the stock is good.
So yeah, correct, you're right. And as we see here in the moving average, it is just touching, so it is just good now. So neither it is in a uptrend nor it in a downtrend, because it is also getting consolidated here. So it is market is in the sideway. So presently it is a sideway. Yeah, and now let us check what is the. Now let us go to the pattern. So on day candle, if I check this, so we always cross check the chart pattern with this chart pattern list. So here, if you see closely on a short term,
The flag pattern is showing there.
yeah, correct. So here it is, a short term, it is showing as a flag. So definitely we need to wait till it break out, then it will move. So in a short term, it looks like here. So even if we see this, okay, approximately it may go here 1352, even with the flag pattern. But somehow it also giving one more pattern, that is
W.
yeah, you're right. So yeah, this is also giving, you see this, making W pattern also. So in any way, I think it will go till 1,399,400. That we need to check. But in the short term, it may reach till 1,294,300. Basically, we are analyzing this for a long term, but that we just studied on a short term also. If you see, there is a big W. Even this is also visible, but it will take a lot of time. That's why, for long term, we are discussing here. Even if you take on the weekly time frame, here also it is
Making W pattern.
yeah, correct. Here also it is making W pattern. So let's see what is going to happen. We see on the monthly also it is, yes, showing
the W pattern.
Yeah. So these are the pattern presently it is showing. Next is the volume. Let me check the volume. Yeah. Presently the volume is just nearer to that 20 EMA. That means some buying and selling is going on. So if you want to confirm that EMA also, we can check even the delivery percentage. So that is even if you go to NIC website. So if we select here from last 1 month what is happening, you see it's a very good volume delivery percentage, 75%, 45, 75, 65. There is some good accumulation is going on here. Normally we say about 20 to 30%. It is good, but here it is better. Anyway, so now let us check relative strength. Relative strength will make this button on. So relative strength, normally we say above 40, it should be minimum 40, and above 40 it's good.
The relative strength is touching the 60.
Yeah, correct. That relative strength is touching 60 now. And yeah, it is in a bit strong zone. Now let us check what is that our support and resistance. So if we see this support, now let us draw it on our support. Let us take one horizontal line. Let us make it thick. A little bit red color, so that if you see this, already it has taken how many times? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more times it has taken a support at this level. So it's a strong support zone. And also, that COVID is again arriving. So maybe that's why it is becoming a chart is becoming strong. So there are chances that that will grow. Anyway, this is one support, and this is one more support. So support we need is important, because even if the stock is falling, we'll come to know at what level it will fall. Presently this is a support. Now we check this resistance. So resistance is presently here because already in the past it has taken this resistance. You see here? So the next resistance will be at nearly 1300, nearly. Once if it crosses, yes, it will move 1350, something like that. Anyway, so this will happen. I could see there is a strong check pattern. So what is the next step? Fundamentals. So let us check the fundamentals. Now for the fundamentals, let us check here. Even analysis, they suggested 71%. This is good, and we can look for a further study and investment. This is what it says. And when we come to the holding, so let us check the holding. Here, if you see the foreign institutions, they have reduced their stake, whereas domestic investors, they have increased the stake. So that means even domestic investors believe that this is going to give a good returns. Also, when we see financially, or even if we compare with others, the company has reduced the debts. This is very important. The company is almost debt free now. Company has been maintaining the healthy dividends of 24.3%. These are the plus points. Promoters only have reduced this holding, but that should not be much matter. So compared to peers like SBI Life, HDFC Life, here what we see normally is debt to equity ratio is 0. That means debt free company it is. 0 debts. It's showing our return on capital employed, it's showing 142%. Yeah, these are the good one. Now let us check the profit and loss. So net profit is also on the plus side. So in the fundamentals, yeah, this much we can see. Let us see the put call ratio. So what it says, even the put call ratio presently, it says that the maximum pay is 1200, and yes, here also it says it will go till 1300. Even January also it may stay till 1300. So let us put the fib retracement and check what will be the support and resistance, little bit in a more precise way. So let us take this fib retracement and take it from the top of the wick to wick. I will join it. So normally wick to wick will give the good results, which I have seen personally. So let us closely attach this anchor points. Yeah. And now let us check what we draw is right. Okay. So if you see this, yeah, it is on this line, that is 1 to 1 4. So many times it is taken support and resistance, it's going on. So that means this was one point where the stock was taking support and resistance. So that means what we have done this temporary now the fib retracement to identify further next upcoming support and resistance is okay, fine. So now even if we see this closely at 1302 it has touched. So now if this crosses, then the flag pattern, this flag pattern, this crosses, it will move here, that is 1300 rupees. And again if it crosses 1300, it goes to 1376. See, we have seen the support and resistance with the line also, but here we are checking with fib because some people would like very accurately what will be the support and resistance level. It needs for some intraday people, so that's the reason it is drawn here to get exact, accurate, at least I would say 98% it will come accurate because already we are seeing it. So even if we see in the weekly frame, weekly frame is also answering. See the golden ratios, how it naturally it is answering. Okay, so now let us check candlestick chart pattern. I'll remove this now. See, since the market is in the sideways now, presently we cannot predict that. Either it should be uptrend, downtrend, then only we can say that candlestick pattern in a positive way. But however, in this presently it is, we can't conclude here. Delivery percentage, this we already checked. See, maybe accumulation is going on with 73%, 40%, 60, 69, 50%. Some accumulation is going on, yes. So we analyze this stock. So I would say that for a long term, we analyze this from the long term perspective. In long term, it will give again 1700. This is what it says. 1700 it will touch. So how many days it will touch? In how many days? This we can know that, but let us try. Date range from here till here, 351 days it has taken. 240 pass, and it will take the same amount of days. You can say almost year. Okay, so overall it's a good stock. It's a blue chip stock. From insurance point of view, yes, we can consider this. Okay friends, thanks for watching and hope this analysis was helpful. So see you in the next video.
Please subscribe my channel and press the like button. It will motivate me to bring new topics.